Welcome to another Fun Friday Hawaiian shirt video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Today we're going to be talking about passwords, passphrases. I know we've discussed this topic several months ago, but it's something important to help keep your stuff secure. The tradition now is that you need to use what's called a passphrase, something kind of like this. It's not in the dictionary. You can't find this. I mean, it's not even a real word. I mean, it's a passphrase. I mean, this particular one is, I am now a grandpa to my son's son. Yeah, by the way, now I'm a grandpa. Anyway, so that's what a passphrase would look like, some type of letter combination. And if you need to use letters and characters, because just on an 8-character password, if you will, passphrase, you go from, if you just use letters, you're going about 100 million different combinations. If you use a number and a character in there, you go to 645 trillion different combinations. So significantly increases your security just by the sheer number and volume. If you need to write down your password, use some type of code. I mean, this looks more like a scientific formula than an actual password thing. This is a normal password with the capital on the first plus whatever up capital V1 at the end. That way, that helps you to decipher what your password actually is, and nobody else can figure it out, especially if you're using a passphrase like this. Anyway, keep your passwords unique, especially for your financial information, your credit cards, your banking, online investments, whatever that is. Make sure those are unique from anything else that you have. If they ask you for form questions, what's your mother's maiden name, or where did you live, or where did you meet, don't put in the correct information. Put in some fake information and then write down some type of code so you know what it is if you need to. Change your passphrases, especially on your financial information, at least once a year. I know that sometimes gets a pain in the butt, but you've got to do it. I mean, you got to protect yourself, because there's a bunch of bad people out there trying to get access to your stuff. And there's a thing out there called two-factor authentication. If you've used online banking recently, then you know what I'm talking about. Not only do you have to put in your username and your passphrase, but then it asks you additional questions. Answer the questions, but go ahead and use that, sign up for it. It just gives you another layer of protection from anybody to get access to your stuff. So anyway, today's question is going to be, it's a nationally recognized day today. What day is it? So let me know and we'll get you out a gift card. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful weekend.